Hey, welcome back to Rob's Garage Woodworking. Today I've got a plugged central vac. So if you turn it on, I can hear the machine going, but you can't hardly hear this. It's really close to the microphone. Just barely sucking anything up. It'll pick up a little bit of dirt, but it's basically plugged. So it's not in the hose. So what you can do, you troubleshoot where it is. It's not in this hose, because what you can do is put your hand around it, blow, and you can feel the air. So that's not plugged. And you can see through the wand. That's not plugged. This isn't plugged because you can see through that. So it's somewhere in the pipe here. So what I'm going to do is I have a couple of things. It's called a skinny snake. This is for plumbing, and this one's a 10-foot. And then I have another drain snake, and they call it a canister auger because it's in a canister. And the cable, which is here, right? The cable is inside here. Same with this one. The cable's inside there. So these have a thumb screw. So what you do is you take some out, you hold on to the side, you turn it, and you see the end will work around, and that will remove the clog. So my central vac is actually really close. It's like down just below the stairs here. So not very far. So this run's not too long. So what I'll do is I'll take some of this out and I'll wait. See, I'm not getting any resistance at all here. So that's pretty good. And then now I'm getting some resistance. So I will tighten the thumb screw and I will spin this around and try to get it further down. Oh, see? There we go. Now, I don't know if that was just an elbow or if that was where the clog was. So I feed a little bit more through. There's another spot that looks... Yeah. Turn the thumb screw, tighten that up. And that tightens the spring so that the whole thing will spin. Okay, I got some dirt on this, so we got some dirt on that. So let's try the vacuum again. Oh, not yet. Not yet. Okay, I went in a little further, so there, it's got another spot that's stuck, so we'll tighten the spring again, tighten the thumb screw. Okay, let's pass that spot, loosen it off, we'll feed some more in. Alright, we found some more dog hair and dust and other stuff. So, let's see if this does it, or if we have to do some more. Oh, see the hose? See how much suction it has now? So we got the clog. Look at that. So much more power. We just undo the thumb screw and we just push this back and it winds back in here. Alright, so that's it. That's how I remove clogs in my central vac with a plumbing snake. Thanks for watching.